Good evening. Finally going to install my Wyze sprinkler controller. I'm replacing a Hunter Pro C. I've already taken the faceplate off, and so I've revealed the wires for each zone. I'm just going to go a little closer in here so you can see that. And you can see each one of those is a different zone, and we start off with zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to disconnect those, and I'm going to pull this off the wall, and then I'm going to go ahead and set up the Wyze controller. And this white wire is common, and there was a sticker sheet. Check that out. So what I'll do is I'll label each one of those wires. Let's do that now. Put that on around and just stick them together so they don't come off. Go ahead and move the rest of these screws. Fish these wires through, trying not to remove any of the labels. Alright, so next I'm going to pull up this app. Alright, so add device. This is going to be under home, Wyze sprinkler. Alright, it shows you the installation, which is mounting and setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click mounting. Tells me what I need is a power drill, wire labels, screws and anchors, mounting plate, the sprinkler, and the power adapter. Alright, so I've unplugged my existing controller, click begin, and it says to take a picture of your current controller wiring, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I didn't do that. I'll do it for this. Use photo. Alright, we'll click next. And I basically had already labeled them all. Alright, so select the terminals with the wires connected. So I got common, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click next. Alright, label your wires with the included stickers, which I did. You saw that. Alright, I'm going to click next. It says disconnect and remove your old controller, which I've already done. Hold the mounting plate to the wall and mark the holes for the screws. I want to make sure these are going to fit into the back of the controller. They may not go that high. So you want to make sure. Yeah, see? Make sure you got enough room here. There's that. Are these going to have enough room? Are they going to be short? All the wires are going to be fine. I just want to be able to hide this, so we'll come back to that. I think we should be okay there. So then I can just set this here. Place my phone above. And level it out just like that. And then I'll mark my hole. Oh. Cool. Ensure the wires and the power cord can reach your desired location. Pre-drill the holes, insert the wall anchors. Then we can put the anchor in. It's pretty solid. Okay. Insert the wall anchors. Install the mounting plate with the included screw. We're still recording? Yes. Alright. And it says to connect the wires to your sprinkler. Your Wyze sprinkler will begin blinking when powered on. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect up the wires. Okay, so what do we got? Common, that's this white wire. And then I'm gonna do each zone. So I'm gonna start with zone 1. Then it says to plug your sprinkler into an outlet. It doesn't say controller, it says sprinkler. Literally says plug your sprinkler in. That's funny. So it goes into this 12-volt AC plug here. Let's do that. Got a handy dandy outlet right here. It says your Wyze sprinkler will begin to blinking when powered on. Place your sprinkler on the mounting plate. So it says push the bottom and then the top. I thought it was the other way around. Just kind of set it here and turn upwards and it'll click. Just like that. So there, yeah, it works. Oh, now you can see there's, I guess that's the blinking it was talking about. The numbers are scrolling across there. Each zone's lighting up. Okay. All right, click next. It says confirm your sprinkler is in pairing mode. The numbers will cycle in an orange color showing the device is ready to pair. Add your sprinkler to your account. Tap begin to start pairing your Wyze sprinkler. Searching for your sprinkler. Keep your phone near your sprinkler. Pairing. Select your network. All right, there it is. Connecting to the Wyze cloud. Okay, connected. All right, name your sprinkler. Sprinkler controller. I will do controller. Click next. See, the display's all white now. Doing some sort of GPS thing. Current location. Okay. Click save. Okay. All right, let's configure your zones. We'll test each zone to make sure it's working and to ease setup. Now I know I have a problem with zone 1. It's just kind of confusing there. So I'm going to go ahead and press zone 2. All right. Zone 2 is in zone 2. I'm going to say try again. Okay, there we go. It's on now. Cool. Just came on. I should have had a camera there to show you how that came on. That's cool. And if you notice, zone 2 shows it's lit up. Okay, so yes, that worked. I'm gonna say front beds. Okay. Click next. This is both annuals and perennials, but it's fine. Click next. Those are fixed spray heads. All right, turn on zone 3. Check those. Okay, that's very odd. So both zone 2 and 3, I had to do it twice, and I told it to try again, and when I told it to try again, it actually came on. I can hear it running now. Okay, and last but not least, turn on zone 6. And it shows zone 6, but see what happens there? Did you see that? It turned blue and then it started flashing the numbers again. It's really strange, and it never comes on. I have to actually say no, then click try again, and then it seems to work. Alright, so I'm gonna say no, there's no water. See what happens, no. Alright, click try again, 6 blue came on, and it's staying on now. Okay, now I bet it's gonna come on. There it is. It did come on. It's very interesting. I'm not sure why it did that. Okay. Label that one. Done. Next. What type of zone? Warm season grass. Click next. It's rotary head. Alright, you're all set. There's all our stuff. There's 2 sensors you can add, which I don't have any, but I'll probably get some. Alright, Sprinkler Plus. Scan the QR code, confirm, blah blah blah. I'm not going to do that right now. Skip a free year? Skipping. Alright, so now I'm going to schedule front yard back. I'm just going to schedule all this just for, let's see, front yard, we'll do 15 minutes. I'm just setting this up for whatever, 15, I don't need but maybe 5 on those. Yeah, that's fine, we'll just leave all that default right now. We'll just say even dates. Start at, okay, click next. You did it! Your new sprinkler is ready. Finish. That's it. There's new firmware I can upgrade to. We're not going to do that yet. Now, since I've got the beds right here, I'm going to go ahead and just do it so I can kind of see it. I'll click on front beds. Click the little water drop. We'll say 2 minutes. Click start. Controller shows zone 2. Came on. Very cool. So I'm gonna click the little drop, stop zone, and they're off. That's awesome. Well, that concludes the video. I'll probably do that other schedule thing, the free, what do you call it? Yeah, Sprinkler Plus, 1 year of Sprinkler Plus. I'll probably test that out and do another video. Maybe. I'm not making promises. I have been really busy lately. That's it. Oh, there's also a little water drop on the very front screen. I can click that. Say quick run or water specific zones. Front yard. Oh, okay, that's cool. So you don't have to go into the individual thing. So there's another option. Cool. I earned a badge. Wyze Sprinkler. Boom. Alright. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll do some more videos in the near future. One more thing that I wanted to point out. Another nice feature is you can actually manually control turning on and off zones. So if you don't have your phone with you, or you're close by and you just want to run it real quick, or whatever, you're going to come over here, you're going to select your zone. So you just keep pressing the button until you get the zone that you want. If I wanted to water zone 2, I select 2 and then press the water button, which is at the top. It'll light up. Sprinklers come on. And when you're done, you just click the water off button, which is the droplet with the line through it. Turns off, goes back to this mode. So just wanted to add that in there. Pretty cool.